Hi, today I am explaining about the problem is maximum product subarray. The input is integer array like this. We need to find maximum product subarray, that is 36. I mean 491. This is the subarray we need to find. So let me write solution for that. Then I will explain about tracing, how exactly it is working internally. So first I am declaring integer array for input source. So I am taking elements as it is from this input. So next I am declaring one variable, that is maximum variable. So here I am considering maximum value is least value integer that can hold. Next one is product. So multiplication factor is 1. So that's why I am taking that 1 inside that product variable. So now I am iterating array from beginning to end. So whole array I am trying to iterate. So at the time of iterating, I am multiplying first element with multiplication factor, and again I am trying to store inside the product variable. So now array of first element. So here I am trying to check comparing maximum value with recently get product of multiplication factor and first element. So if the maximum element is less than, I am replacing maximum value with recently get, product of multiplication factor and first element. So one more special case you need to handle here, that is if multiplication factor gets less than or equal to 1, negative value or 0, in that case I am assigning product value again multiplication factor 1. Why? Because if I got 0, when I am multiplying with the other numbers, I will get whole again 0. So to handle that case, I am assigning multiplication factor with 1. Or else if negative values that contains previously product of some elements, so to overcome that multiplication factor, I am keep on tracking 1. If that value gets here, either it may be 0 or less than 0. So now the logic is looking good. Try to print that maximum product value of subarray. Try to run. So 36 we got the output. So that is 491. So let me trace out this, how exactly it is working internally for this logic. Let me try to maximize. So here I am trying to trace. First I am considering multiplication factor, and multiplication factor I am multiplying with first element. So 1 multiplication factor and I am tracking first element. Before this maximum value, I am taking max is least value integer that can hold. So I think 21464736. I think this is, I am not sure exactly, but this is the minimum value. Let me try to print it to confirm that. Try to save it. So 214748. Let me copy this. So here I can paste. This is the least value integer data type that can hold. So here next I am comparing product of multiplication factor with first element in an array, that is 3. Now 3 is greater than, here I got the result, right? 3 is greater than that max of integer element can hold, least value. So that's why I am replacing maximum value with 3. Next, for next iteration, let me trace. So now first element with multiplication factor and the second element with multiplying with first element 8. Here I am getting result like 24. Now 24 also greater than 3. Again I am replacing maximum value with 24. Now continue for third element. So let me copy it again. So now I am here multiplying 8 with minus 4. So here I am getting some negative value. So definitely it will return negative value, right? 24 4 times, I think it will be given minus 96. So minus 96 is always less than 24. So I will not update maximum value. So up to now this logic will be okay. So here we need to handle, this is the special case. So now product, this variable contains negative value, that is minus 96. So here I got less than or equal to 1. I think equal to it will be okay, but less than, if it is less than 1, then only you need to update. So here I got negative 96. So in this case, this if logic will be work. So that's why I wrote that if logic. So I can ignore this 96. Again I am assigning multiplication factor is plus 1. So I will again start with from scratch. Up to here I can ignore. Again I am starting from remaining part. So 1 times 4. So I will get result like 4. So anyway maximum value 24 is greater than 4. So I won't update maximum value. Next time copy it and paste again. 4 times 9, I am getting result like 36. So here I got the result, that is maximum number, that is 36 is greater than 24. Here I am trying to update here. Now continue the same process. So next time will be I am multiplying with the number is 1. So there is no change. 36 only maximum number, I mean 36 only I am getting. Continue the process again. So 36, here I will get some negative value. So I think the value 36 times 6 means I think minus 216 value. Anyway the number is negative value. So I won't update. Still 36 is the maximum number. So here again I got multiplication factor is 216 minus. So in this case this if block will be executed. Again multiplication factor will be assigned to 1. So again I will start with from 1. So remaining element I can ignore up to here. So start from here, from 8 onwards. So 1 time 8, I will get result like 8. Now maximum is 36 only. Why? Because 36 is greater than 8. So now let me do the same, do the same process for next element. Now finally we have 8 with 2. We got result like 16. So 16 also less than 36. I am not updating maximum variable. So let me do for the last element. So that is again I am multiplying with 2. So 16 with 2 I will get value like 32. 32 also less than 36. So our maximum value will be here 36. That is the result we are trying to print here. So let me run one more time maximum value. So 36, this is the our logic for finding maximum product subarray. So if you found the content is valuable and you learned something new from this video, please subscribe ProgrammingKT and like the video. Thank you.